The first question everyone seems to ask about the Ford F-150 Bilstein 6112 kit. Is it actually worth the hype? Short answer, yes, and not the kind of yes you politely say at Thanksgiving dinner, but a real one. It's a whole new suspension experience for your F-150. Here's the thing. Ford F-150s are fantastic trucks, but straight from the factory, they can feel a little marshmallow soft, especially if you ever find yourself dealing with uneven roads, potholes, or actually doing truck things like mild off-roading. The Bilstein 6112 kit fixes that. This kit is basically a front suspension upgrade, offering 60mm monotube shocks and allowing you to choose your ride height. Translation, you get up to about 2.5 inches of front lift. Suddenly, your truck doesn't look nosedived. It just looks right. And you get adjustable ride height, which is a big deal. Factory trucks sit lower in the front. Everyone knows this is called rake. Some people like it, most people don't. Bilstein 6112 lets you change that without a full-blown lift kit. The real magic trick here is how the shocks handle bumps and rough pavement. Instead of your F-150 bouncing like a moonwalk at a birthday party, the 6112s just eat up washboard roads, potholes, and sharp transitions. You'll feel just a fraction of what you used to. Here's a pain point I see all over forums. People try to fix nosedive and body roll with cheap spacer lifts or budget shocks. The result? The truck rides like a brick. Bilstein spent serious R&D on the 612, and you feel it every single mile. Numbers say it absorbs about 30% more energy than stock. Install is honestly one of those projects you can tackle yourself if you've ever wrenched before. Think basic hand tools, a spring compressor, and about half a Saturday. If you don't want a DIY, you're looking at around $300 at a shop. People worry about losing ride quality or comfort with stiffer shocks. The 6112s are firm, but they're not punishing. The trick is in how they slow down big movements without transmitting harsh little bumps. The result? Truck feels planted, but not rough. Tire upgrades? Here's where the pro tip comes in. People pair these with slightly larger all-terrain tires, think 33 inches, without any issue. It literally transforms the look of the truck. You gain ground clearance and can air down for off-road without rubbing everywhere. Another thing, the 6112s hold up. No leaking, no fading, even after years of use. If you ever towed or loaded down your F-150 and felt it sag, this kit seriously reduces that headache. The firmer ride keeps everything level and handling crisp. People always ask about warranty and durability. Bilstein gives you a limited lifetime warranty, which is kind of rare in this space. You're basically buying one kit for the lifetime of the truck unless you start jumping sand dunes like a trophy truck. Cost-wise, it's not cheap at $700, $900 for the kit, but compare that to full lift kits with control arms, and you're saving money while still getting 80% of the benefit. It's just smart math, especially when you factor in less tire wear and fewer dealership trips from worn junk shocks. If you like your F-150 but wish it just handled and looked a little better, the Bilstein 6112 is basically the no-brainer move. I did mine 3 years ago, never looked back. If you're in Portland and ever want a first-hand look, hit me up.